Level 6, Lesson 2. Past simple versus past continuous. We use the past simple to talk about events that happened at one time in the past. Example, I saw U2 in concert. Events that happened many times in the past. Example, I wore the same shirt every day for a year. We use the past simple to talk about things that existed, were true in the past. Example, I used to be a teacher, with key time markers like yesterday or last year. Example, yesterday I cooked dinner at home. We use the past continuous to describe the background in a story written in the past tense. Example, it was raining hard when the electricity went out. To describe an unfinished action that was interrupted by another event or action. Example, I was watching TV when the phone rang. To indicate a change in plans. Example, I was going to stay home to work this weekend, but I decided to go to the beach at the last minute because the weather was so beautiful. To make a very polite request. Example, I was wondering if you had a minute to talk about an upcoming project. Past simple. Positive sentences in the past are formed similarly to the present. The verb changes based upon who the subject is. Subject, subject pronoun, plus simple past verb, plus complement. A subject is a noun, a person, place, thing, or idea, or a pronoun. I, you, he, she, it, we, or they. A verb is the action. To be is a verb. The complement is the rest of the sentence. Positive. Subject pronoun plus verb. I ate, complement, a burger for lunch. You, we, they decided to leave the party early. He, she forgot to go to work yesterday. To make a sentence negative, add did not or didn't before the base form of the verb. The same is true for all subjects, i.e., I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Negative, subject pronoun plus not plus verb. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Did not have. Contraction plus verb. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Didn't have. Complement. Any cash, so I had to pay with my credit card. The simple past question form for another action verbs is WH question word plus did plus subject plus verb plus complement. Questions, action verbs. Auxiliary, did, subject plus verb. I drink, you drink, he, she, it drink, we drink, they drink. Complement. Too much coffee? Did I drink too much coffee? Did you drink too much coffee? Did he, she, it drink too much coffee? Did we drink too much coffee? Did they drink too much coffee? The past continuous form is subject, subject pronoun, plus was, were, plus verb, plus ing, plus complement. A subject is a noun, a person, place, thing, or idea, or a pronoun. I, you, he, she, it, we, or they. To be is an auxiliary or helping verb. Positive. Subject. I, to be, was. Present participle. Watching a movie. Complement. When you called. You, we, they were watching a movie when you called. He, she, it was watching a movie when you called. To make a sentence negative, add not to the verb to be. Negative. Subject pronoun plus not plus to be. I was not, contraction, I wasn't, thinking about the consequences. You, we, they were not, you, we, they weren't, thinking about the consequences. He, she, it was not, he, she, it wasn't, thinking about the consequences. To ask a question in the present continuous, Change the order of the verb to be and the subject. To be plus subject plus present participle plus complement. Questions. To be was, subject I, present participle, cleaning, complement, the house instead of writing a paper. Were you, we, they cleaning the house instead of writing a paper? Was he, she, it cleaning the house instead of writing a paper? We drove to the store. We were driving to the store when we realized we had forgotten to bring money. I drank a cup of tea last night. I was drinking a cup of tea when the doorbell rang. I slept for 10 hours last night. I was sleeping when the earthquake hit. She ate breakfast early yesterday. She was eating breakfast as she drove to work. We went to Greece on vacation last year. We were heading to Greece on vacation when we had to land because of a weather emergency.